Listen up, future investors. I searched the most Googled questions about investing in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and India, and now I'm here to answer them for you. Here's your Moniify Playbook. For those in the United Arab Emirates, like me, let's see what people want to know. How to invest in US stocks from UAE. So, if you're from the Gulf Cooperation region or GCC region, then I'd start by opening an account with a robo advisor. That's an investment app or platform that acts as an automated financial assistant. Some popular apps are Sarwa Trade, Interactive Brokers, and Baraka, which some call the Robinhood equivalent of the GCC. These are all good apps for investing in big name stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, and great for DIY do-it-yourself investors. But if market swings stress you out, then a real licensed advisor is always an option. Now, when picking the right platform, ask yourself, what are the fees? Is the app easy to use? How good is their customer service? And how easily can I withdraw my funds? My top priority, user-friendliness. We'll add these robo-advisors to our playbook. On to the next question, how to invest in the stock market in the UAE. The UAE has 3 stock exchanges, Dubai Financial Market, Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, and the Nasdaq Dubai. To start trading, you'll need what's called an investor number that is issued by the exchange. Then you can use a brokerage platform like Baraka and Sarwa that I mentioned, or go through local brokers like Emirates and BD Securities. And consider ETFs like iShares MSCI UAE ETF. It's a simple way to invest in the top 40 UAE stocks. And did you know that the UAE has seen several popular IPOs recently? Like the delivery app Talabat and the supermarket chain Lulu. And keep an eye on companies expected to go public later this year, like Abu Dhabi airline Etihad Airways and the classifieds platform Dubizzle. Moving on to another GCC country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The number one question people are searching there is how to invest in the Saudi stock market. Unlike the UAE, there's only one exchange in KSA, aptly called the Saudi Stock Exchange, also known as Tadawul, listing over 150 companies. If you're a Saudi or GCC national or Saudi resident, first step is to open an investment account with a Tadawul member firm. These are basically authorized banks or brokers that verify your eligibility. The list is on their website. Beginner-friendly apps like SAM and Nakla are also worth checking out. Now, if you're an international investor, then consider buying the shares of the iShares MSCI Saudi Arabia ETF, which trades on US stock exchanges. All right, next question is how to invest in Bitcoin. Saudi Arabia is exploring crypto, but it remains cautious. It's neither banned nor officially recognized. There are no specific laws yet, and regulators warn of risks. To buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, you can still use exchanges like Binance, Rain, and BitOasis, all of which support the Saudi Riyal. If you're crypto curious, stay up to date with changing regulations. Now, if you're in India, let's see what you're Googling. No surprise there. How to invest in gold. Well, you could always buy physical gold, jewelry, coins, or bars. Fun fact, Indian households are sitting on 25,000 tons of gold. You could also consider buying digital gold. Popular payment platforms like Paytm and Google Pay let you do this, and the digital gold gets stored by one of these companies. Other investment options include gold ETFs, mutual funds, and derivatives. These are some good choices. Let's double-click on sovereign gold bonds, which represent a fixed amount of gold linked to current market prices. They pay 2.5% interest per year, are tax-free when they mature, and you can sell them on stock exchanges after 5 years. The central bank issues these bonds from time to time, and you can buy them via banks, post offices, or apps like Zerodha and Grow. And the next question is how to invest in mutual funds. Okay, this is a tough one. Think of these like a carpool. You and others pool your money to reach a common destination or financial goal. The carpool driver, the fund manager, decides the best route, whether that's through stocks, bonds, or other assets, based on everyone's risk tolerance. You also have an option to either make a lump sum investment in a fund or set up monthly investments, which are called SIPs in India. Despite market ups and downs in 2025, SIPs have stayed strong. You could invest directly via mutual fund companies, online platforms, banks, and brokers. Again, markets go through cycles, so do your research to make the most of your investment. Let's all pledge to make investing a priority this year, including myself, Experts recommend investing up to 20% of your monthly income. This, of course, depends on your personal goals. Make sure to check out some of the platforms that I mentioned to help you get started. Links are in the description. And I want to know, what else are all you investors wondering about? Leave some questions for me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with the Moniify Playbook.